Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this Motorola. First of all, go into Settings. In them, choose Notifications section over here. Then tap on App Settings and select Most Recent. Over here, click on the best option for you. Most Recent, Most Frequent, All Apps or Turned Off. I will go with All Apps. Following that, click on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from, in my case Calendar. As you can see, all notifications from Calendar are now off, but you can always turn them back on by tapping on the same switcher again. If you wish to, you can always click on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!